welcome to my channel. And today's video, which is going to be one of my favorites, hopefully, if it turns out right, as you can see by the title, I will be turning myself into Jigsaw from the Saw movies. I actually have yet to see any of the Saw movies, although it has been on my little horror movie watch list for quite some time, so I'm going to probably have to get on that soon. It's just one of those well-known scary horror movie characters, so you know, I decided this looks pretty creepy, let's go ahead and challenge myself some more and try to turn myself into Jigsaw. So if you are interested in seeing how this all plays out, then keep on watching. With their makeup, but it's like just makeup. I want to make myself look like the real deal, because I guess like the people try to do it kind of in a more wearable way. It's more inspired by, so you can kind of see where they were going, but I want, you know, the whole shebang. So if you look at this photo, you will see that like his nose and his eyebrows, whatever mask or thing was going on, is like protruded. So I really want that 3D effect to have this like very hardcore, like scary looking face situation going on. So because I don't have any like special effects makeup stuff, we're gonna get over it a little bit. Like, would this be a video from yours truly if we didn't do things the ratchet way? How I'm going to do it the ratchet way is I'm going to cut up some of these cosmetic sponges so you know you can get that 3D effect. And since I don't have any like latex like covering or anything, or like even like the latex glue, I'm going to use this glove. I'm gonna put it over so then it's smooth. So the idea came to me because I was trying to figure out, like, I really wanted like the whole 3D protruded look. So we're going to see how this all plays out, if this is going to work or not. Okay, so obviously the eyebrow shape is rounded and these are angular because they're like rectangular-ish sponges, triangle sponges kind of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it this way, but I'm going to also cut the end of this off so it'll be a little more rounded when I put the glove on top of it. And I'm going to place that at the front because obviously the front is going to be bigger and then it's going to hopefully taper outwards. Figure out how far do I want this to come. Actually, I might just have to use the whole, maybe I'll cut it in half. Yeah, I'll do it in half. Yeah, that seems so. Actually, one whole sponge kind of covers my whole eyebrow. Wow, that was a lot less work than I thought. Probably also thinking, okay, what glue are you going to use? Now, I have two sorts of facial glues. I have eyelash glue and I have glitter glue. And I'm pretty positive the eyelash glue is stronger. So I'm gonna have to go get that because I'm not sure where it is. So I'm back with my handy dandy lash glue, and let's hope that this is an adequate enough adhesive. So we're just going to just get on in it, and I'm going to put it on the sponge and just let that get a little tacky like I would for eyelashes. Now the only thing I'm hoping is that the sponge doesn't absorb the glue and then it won't stick to my face. So basically what I did, I kind of just used my fingers to kind of measure like the width of and like the length, whatever, the measurements of the sponge brow, and then I kind of just placed it on the glove and then marked it, and then I cut it to that size. Probably won't be the smoothest, but I kind of like glued it like to the sponge, like under right here, and then as you can see, I just like placed the glue right there, so then it would lie flat right there. Now I have to go ahead and do the other side. So as you can see, this is literally the most ranchified costume, character, makeup you could possibly ever do. And Glam and Gore is probably very proud of my decisions. So now that we are done with these eyebrows, now we're going to basically use the same technique for the nose area, which is also kind of like this weird shape, very angular and protruded. Mostly it's like the bridge of the nose is pretty protruded and like angular, and then it's very large and comes down to like about here, like kind of here. It like shadows over the mouth area pretty well. We're going to try and mimic that. Okay, so now that I look like a walrus and we have the eyebrows blocked out and the nose blocked out, we can get started on the actual face paint. Much like my other two Halloween videos, I will be mostly using this face paint, and I'll just be packing that on with this foundation brush. My hands are very sticky, there's glue everywhere, and the smell of this glue is awful. So hopefully this turns out right, and all you little internet peoples out there show us some love, because my nose is going through it and it can't be for nothing. So now that all of the face stuff is done, we are going to go ahead and start on the eyes. So what I'm going to do, if you look at the photo, this whole area is like black, and then he has the red eyes. So what I'm going to do is outline that area with this black eyeliner to make sure that it's precise. So now I'll just be going in with black face paint to fill in the eye area. So we can apply it with a little more precision. I'm going to be using this smaller brush as opposed to that foundation brush. And I feel this is going to be a little bit tricky anyways, because it's such a small area of the eye that has to be covered. So this is going to be, because of the eyebrows, the trying to like maneuver around and like get the whole eye done is a little bit tricky. So I'm going to try to do the center of the eye as best I can, and then I'm going to go back in with a smaller brush and then do it around the edges. So now that we're done with the general black part, we're still going to need a little bit of time for it to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the neck area, and then probably do like the cheek and lips. circles. I'm not really sure if you can quite see it, but I decided to do the circles with the eyes with red eyeshadow instead, because the face paint was not working well for that. The consistency is like kind of different, and it was just becoming a hot mess. I would recommend that if you try to do this look via watching this video, you should probably use like a gel liner or something. Will probably work out like a lot better. So the eyes are definitely looking a little ratchet, not very opaque, but we're just gonna have to power through it because we are very close to finish. I'm going to paint the swirls on the cheeks. Okay, so the very last thing to do is to do the lips, and he has a bow tie and stuff, so we're just gonna go ahead and speed through all of that. So that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and when you subscribe, be sure to click the notification bell down below to keep up with when I post, and I will see you next time. Peace out.